Welcome guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to defragment your PC's hard drive on Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to defragment your PC's hard drive on Windows 10 PC, so very easy. Firstly, open control panel. After click on administrative tools and here option defragment and observation drive, so click it, that is, and other, so click on start, type here defragment, and observation drive, so click it. After click on optimize, that is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.